Hello, 6th hour class. This is Mrs. Warzeka. And as you can tell this week, we're talking a little bit and learning a little bit more about our dishwasher and how we can use it when we're at home. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about dishwasher soap. So obviously, we need to add the soap into the dishwasher so that it cleans our dishes. Without adding soap, our dishes would get rinsed and they would still be dirty. So we need to remember to put the soap in before we start the dishwasher. So there's 3 main kinds of soap that are out there at the store that you can purchase. Let's take a look at them. One of them are the dishwasher pods. These are usually small little rectangles or squares filled with the dishwasher detergent in it. So you put that inside your dishwasher and then you close the little lid before you were to start your dishwasher. So one of them are these little pods. Here's just some examples. The other kinds of soap that people may use is a gel, which you would also put into that soap compartment in your dishwasher. And then the last one is a powder that you would either scoop in or pour into that spot. So the question for today is, what kind of dishwasher soap does your family use? So if you are doing your distant learning at home today, go into your kitchen, ask your parent, where's the dishwasher soap if you don't know, and find out. Find out where your family keeps the soap if you're not sure, and what kind of soap does your family use? Is it a dishwasher pod? Is it gel? Or is it a powder? Can't wait to hear your responses. Have a great day.